Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick update video on my DIY laundry detergent. It has been just shy of a year since I did that. I actually originally made it on Super Bowl Sunday, so just shy of a year, and I wanted to show you what's left. So when I originally did it, I had filled this was full. I had filled up this, and I had filled up this, and I had another container as well, but I can't find it, so I'll put a video of when they were all full somewhere in the corner here. Anyways, so I am now down to that much. There's probably enough there to do one more load. Originally I had said that it was supposed to last, I think, 18 months, and that probably would have been the case because you're only supposed to use, I think, 2 tablespoons at a time, and I was doing like almost a full scoop of this, which I know is a lot more than 2 tablespoons, so whatever. So my original comment when I first, my first initial reaction was that it didn't smell good. Like smelling this right here, it smells really good, but when the clothes came out, it wasn't very fragrant. But I realized pretty quickly that's because I didn't stir it very well, and so the smelly good stuff wasn't spread out very good, is what I think had happened. So for future reference, if you ever do this or if I do it again, I just need to be sure to stir it better, stir it all up so it's all combined better. Lily, not now. And what else? Oh, so also I sometimes on certain loads I would add one of these. I would add some of this. It's like a odor remover, and that worked well for really dirty clothes that were actually covered in dirt or grease, that kind of stuff. So I would add this. And then for dryer stuff, I have these dryer balls that I use, and then I'll just put a essential oil or something on there, lavender, and that has been working well, and that's made my clothes smell good. Otherwise, I think it went really well. I may consider doing something like this in the future, because it definitely was cost efficient. I think in the long run, I've never had a detergent last that long, so definitely interesting. And yeah, I will link to my original video as well as again link to the recipe I used. I know there's so many recipes out there for this, and you can kind of change it up per what you like best. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, so here is the final product.